Let's talk about strategy. It is one of those words people use often, but mostly in wrong contexts. So what does it really mean? At its core, strategy is the bridge between vision and execution. It is how we turn ambition into direction and direction into real-world outcomes. In product delivery, strategic objectives define what we aim to achieve in the next 3 to 12 months to move towards our vision. They should be clear, aligned, and measurable, giving your team and stakeholders a clear, shared compass for what matters most. But here is the catch. Many teams don't have them. They jump from idea to delivery without stepping back to define near-term goals. And when that happens, prioritization becomes reactive, fragmented, or purely political. Let's take a step back. In traditional project management, prioritization isn't a central theme. But in agile delivery, where adaptability and responding to change are core principles, it is absolutely critical. Scrum says, prioritize by business value and effort. Scaled Agile framework says, calculate weighted shortest job first by factoring in cost of delay, time criticality, and opportunity enablement. Both are useful, but still often subjective. At the end of the day, the people available during a prioritization session assign those values based on what they believe has business value or represent an opportunity, and neither approach tells the full story. Because real prioritization also needs to consider technical dependencies, flow efficiency, and team dynamics. For example, we sometimes pair a complex epic with a simpler one to maintain delivery momentum. That kind of decision isn't captured in any formula. It is contextual judgment. This is where strategic objectives come in. In Lean-Scrum, we promote a practical blend. User and business value, effort and size, time criticality, flow efficiency, and technical sequencing, all working together to refine strategic focus. There is no magic formula, no spreadsheet that makes the decision for you. Just a structured, context-driven discussion led by the product leader. And here's the thing. Strategic objectives aren't just a list of features or capabilities. They should also include infrastructure upgrades, technical investigations, experiments, and ways of working improvements. Because transforming a product also means learning from our experience and transforming how we build it. These objectives should be shaped collaboratively with input from teams, stakeholders, and leadership, but product managers hold the pen. They are responsible for aligning, communicating, and refining those objectives. So ask yourself, are your priorities anchored in strategy? Do your team know why they are doing what they are doing? And are you moving intentionally toward your product vision? If not, it is time to stop reacting and start leading with clear, focused strategic objectives. In the next video, we'll explore how to turn those objectives into a living, breathing plan. Until then, keep challenging the way we work. Let's make delivery faster and smarter.